Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how you can get Spotify on your MacBook Air. It's very easy to do. It's the same process for your PC, MacBook or Windows. How you can do it. Spotify is a digital music podcast and video service that gives you access to millions of songs and other content from creators all over the world. So how you can get it on your MacBook? For this, first open your browser, then search for Spotify. Now open their website. Now from here you will see an option install app. Just click on it. Now here you will see an option download Spotify for Windows, or you will see an option download Spotify for Mac, or here you will see an option download directly from Spotify. Click on it and it will be started download and it will be download. Now click here. It will take a few times. Just install it and open it, and that's it. Now enjoy your favorite song from Spotify on your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.